Hello guys, welcome back to another Unreal Engine tutorial video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a main menu in Unreal Engine. So the first thing you want to do is you have to create a new level. Now I have already created a new level, but I'm just going to show you how to create it. Now you just right click with your mouse in a space and go to level and click on the level. After you click on the level, you're gonna name whatever you want to name your level, and then you just click 2 times on the new level that you just created. And after you click on the level that you just created, you're supposed to see it black like this. So when you see it black like this, as you can see, there's really nothing. We haven't created any main menu for now. But now I'm going to show you. Now you want to go inside your level and stay inside your level. We are going to be making the main menu in this level. So I'm gonna create a new folder. Right click in an empty space, click new folder, name it main menu. Click on it, then right click and go to user interface and select widget blueprint. Call it main menu or whatever you want. I'm just gonna call it main menu. And you want to click on it 2 times, and then it will open this tab and you will see where you will be making the main menu. Now I want an image in my main menu, so I'm gonna drag an empty image, and I'm just gonna put it right here and then scale it like that until it fills the screen. And after I do that, I want to select the image that I just created and go to anchors over here and click on anchors and click on full screen, which will cover the entire screen no matter what you do. That's what it's supposed to do. After that, as you can see, there's really no image in this empty image of some sort. There's no image. So you want to go to the appearance brush and then go to images. Now I have already have an image, so you basically get any image you want. You can get it from outside, from Google. So I'm just gonna skip the part where I put the image inside my folder, inside my main menu folder. So let me skip. As you can see, I have made this. I have got this image from here. And now after you've got your image, you can go to main menu, and after you go to your main menu, select the image and just search your image. You'll see test forest, click on it, and as you can see, we have got our image covered to the screen. So this is good. Now we want to make our buttons. Now I'm just gonna click compile before doing any buttons and save. And I'm gonna drag an empty button like this, scale it how I want to, and then I drag text and just put the text inside. Now to change the text, you want to go inside the text. After you selected the text, go to content and you'll see text and change the text there. I'll call this start. Now this will be the start button. And to change the color of the text, you go to appearance, color, opacity, and just select whatever color you want. I'm gonna make this completely black. Okay, so this is completely black, and now we wanna call the button itself the start button. So I'm gonna call this start button. And now we wanna get another. Now we wanna compile and get another button. And try to scale it the exact same size. Now we don't have to scale it the exact same size, And I'm just gonna put it like right next to it. And I'm gonna put the text in here and call this quit. And change the color to black, as you can see. And now compile. So now we have made the 2 buttons. I might actually make a part 2 on this, and in the part 2 I'm going to be probably showing you how to make a credits button where it will put you in another GUI widget. You know, it will put you in another widget and tell you who created the game. So it's gonna be probably part 2 for this in another day. So I'm gonna call the button, which is the quit button. I can just right click on this button that I just selected, rename, and call it quit button. So now after we have made our buttons, I'm just gonna click on the first button, which is called start. Now before doing anything, I'm gonna compile, save, and after that I can click on my button, which is the start button, go down to events and select event on clicked. So select this event and then on clicked start button, compile, and what you want to do is here when it clicks, so this is gonna be for Windows basically. So when the mouse clicks on this button, it will open level and make it open level by name. Now there's an open level by object reference, but you don't really need that, you know. And this is the level name. So I'm gonna delete this and now I have actually copied and pasted the name of the level where you start the game in, which is called minimal default. Now I really didn't change its name. Now you can just go to that level, go to the levels, go to wherever folder you have made your levels in, and select the level, select your level, and just select it like this. And after that you can click Control C, and then you have copied it. And then go to here, which is the level name, and just delete this name, which was none, and just press Control V, and that will paste the name that you just copied. So as you can see, that's what we need to. You just open level by name, and that's it. Compile. Anyways, so in the quit button, after we have made the start button, in the quit button, what we want to do is make the player, after he clicks on this button, the entire game just closes, you know. So after you've clicked on the quit button, you go down to events and click on the same event that we just clicked, which is on clicked. So click on clicked and then on clicked. So when the player clicks this button, he's gonna quit. Now you could quit match or quit game or set quit button. Now click on quit game. So whenever the player is really gonna click on this button, the game is just going to close, and the quit preference is just quit. That's it. I'm just gonna leave it like that. So compile, save, go back to designer, and this should work. So if we get out of this tab and go back to our level, you will see that if we click play, there is really nothing happening at all, because we didn't make the level play the main menu when we start playing this level, like when you enter the game, you know. So what you want to do this is go to blueprints and go to level blueprints and click on open level blueprint. Okay, so click on open level blueprint. Sorry guys, it's just my nose today is feeling bad, you know, so that's why I might make a little weird noises in this video. So here is event begin play, and what you want to do is when we just start playing this level, like when we enter this level, what we want to do is create widget. Okay, create widget. So what is create widget is gonna do is just basically creating and placing this widget, displaying it. So you could see create widget, go to class inside this trigger, inside this event, I guess, and go and select the main menu widget that we have just made, guys. So click on this main menu. We have now selected what type of GUI, which is our main menu, will come. But there's something missing, and what is missing is that after we make create main menu widget and select its class, we wanna and select its widget. We wanna go in here and place a new node, and this is gonna be add to viewport. Now you can add to player screen, but that's not what we should do. So click on add to viewport, and now this is gonna basically, when you begin playing this level, it's gonna create main menu widget, but it's not gonna show you. But because we have made add to viewport, so it is gonna show you the main menu. So compile. As you can see, we can't compile because there has to be a target, must have a connection, which is this. So just connect it with the return value. Okay, just like that. Make sure it looks exactly like this, so compile, save, and now if you go to your game and click play, the main menu is supposed to appear if you did everything correctly. This tutorial is made in 2023. Just telling, if you want to know what year this was made in exactly. So here is the start button. If I click start, it sends me to this level, as you can see. So to get back the mouse cursor, I just have to click Shift plus F1 at the same time to get back my mouse. As you can see, I'm just gonna click stop. So now the start button does really work. What we want to test again is click play and then click the quit button. Now after I quit this quit button, after I click on this quit button, the button is supposed to trigger something that closes and stops this game. So if I click quit, as you can see, I stopped the game. When I click play and click quit, it stops the game. So as you can see, we have a working main menu. So now you have created your own main menu. I'm gonna save current if I'm going to make a part 2, and I don't really want to make the video long, so I am just gonna end it here. This is part 1. I am thinking to make another part where I show you how to make a main menu, but I add more buttons, and these buttons make you go into another widget, and I'm gonna show you how to do that in the other part. So yeah, if you learned something and enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. I will really enjoy it because these videos really take long. For example, when I make a 9-minute video, it takes 1 hour for it to upload. So this video is more than 9 minutes. So please guys, please subscribe and like, and I will really appreciate it. And bye bye. See you in the next video.